Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, unboxings and reviews. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified each time I post something new. I would really love to have you back here. I'm also about to hit 5k here on YouTube and I'm so excited. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it is such a huge milestone for me because I've put so much work and effort into this channel. So again, I would really appreciate your support. For this video, I have a double Dior unboxing and I'm so excited to share these two pieces with you. I picked them up about 2 weeks ago and I posted a shopping vlog from Dior last Thursday. So if you haven't watched it yet or if you're new to this channel, I'm gonna have it linked up here and also in the description box. So if you're interested to see the new collection, maybe your city is still on lockdown and you don't have access to your local boutique, you can definitely see some beautiful eye candies from the new collections, including shoes and bags and little accessories. So feel free to check that out as well. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should check it out because I post on there daily my daily outfits, my eye candies. A lot of interesting stuff goes onto my Instagram as well. And with that said, let's get into the unboxing. So I have the two baggies in here. It is nothing crazy, but something cute and something I've been eyeing for a while now. So let's start with the small bag first. So this first item didn't come in a box, it just came in its pouch, like a dust bag, and it is this cute little piece. So I don't know the exact name of this piece, but it's an SLG from Dior. Let's remove another little dust bag. And it has the cute little Dior thingy in here. So as I said, I have no idea how to call this piece, but I first saw it in Chanel and then I saw this one in Dior and I fell in love and I had to get it because it's just so beautiful. And it also has the classic Dior pattern in the front, which is so stunning. This is in matte leather with the matte hardware. And I'm gonna give you my reasons as to why I've decided to go for the Dior little SLG piece instead of the Chanel ones. But first, let's go through this little piece so I can show you what it is, what it does. So basically in the front up here, there is a pocket, and to me this is basically a phone holder. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so the largest one, and it actually fits inside this pocket with a phone case on. I never use my phone without a case because first of all, I'm just scared to scratch it, and number two is that the matte glass at the back is so slippery and my hands are always so dry that I'm so scared to drop my phone. This is what it looks like. I think it is so perfect. The size is honestly the most perfect size for my phone and this phone case. And at the back it has the card slots, 6 of them, so you can fit up to 6, maybe even 12 if you put 2 in each. These slots are quite large, so this is the size of our typical card up here, and as you can see the slots are even wider, so I'm pretty sure you can fit more than 6 cards inside if you want to. And then over here it has a zip compartment where you can store some bills, receipts, coins. So this is like a wallet slash phone holder in one. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's just peach black, and I think it is so convenient when you're going out in the evening, for example, and you don't want to carry any handbag with you, or if you have to run quickly to the store, you can just put your phone in here, all the credit cards, the cash in here, and just go. Also, sometimes when I carry my tote bags like the Dior book tote or the Neverfull, everything just tends to be all over the place and it takes a lot of time to find my phone or my card holder because everything is so like tiny compared to this thing, whereas this one is a quite big SLG in your handbag and you will always find it very quickly. And again, as I said before, I saw this SLG in Chanel first a couple of months ago. I think it was back in winter probably, and I fell in love because this is so unique. It's something I've never seen before and I really loved it in Chanel, but one problem was that my phone could not fit with its phone case inside this pocket, so I think it was just too narrow for my phone. But if you have a smaller phone, it will definitely work for you. What I love about this Chanel SLG is that it comes in a big variety of different colors and patterns and leather types, and you can really choose whichever one you like better, where in Dior's case they only come in this matte colors, like the matte Lady Dior's with matte hardware, and in Geneva they only had the black one. But when I went back home in March, I actually saw the same piece but in the nude color. It looked so beautiful, but the hardware was chipping off a little bit, and that's why I decided not to go for it. Also, the price was a little bit more expensive over there, and I'm glad I got it in Geneva. It was brand new. I mean, it still has some stickers on the hardware and I'll have to remove them. But now let's quickly talk about the reasons I've decided to go for this one instead of the Chanel one. So again, number one is that my phone didn't fit in the Chanel's little pouch. Number two is that I always wanted to try out the matte collection from Dior, but I didn't want to splurge on a Lady Dior because Lady Dior is going to be the first Lady Dior handbag in my collection, and I wanted to be a classic one instead of matte, something seasonal and something more trendy that might go out of style pretty quickly. So I didn't want to risk it with the Lady Dior handbag, but also I've heard horror stories about the hardware on the matte Lady Dior handbags, and I just wanted to test it out to see how long it's gonna last. I asked my SA about this problem and I told her, if this happens to this SLG, what should I do? Can I bring it back to you so you can repair it? And she said yes, of course, just bring it in if something happens to the hardware and we'll replace it. I was pretty happy to hear that. And third reason is the price point. So this one was a lot cheaper than the Chanel one. I think the price difference is about $300, which is so much. So I think, where's the receipt? I'm gonna tell you the price of this little piece. It was 560 Swiss francs, and I think the Chanel one was about 900 Swiss francs. But I'm still very happy with this piece. I'm very pleased. I think it is so beautiful. It's something unique and something very versatile. It's something I want to try out in my everyday, day-to-day life and see if I enjoy it. If this was one of the best purchases this year or a complete waste of money. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna see if you look at it up close. So here's the pocket, the little charm that says Dior in black matte color. Here at the back, the 6 slots for your cards, and also the zip pocket in here. So yeah, this is the first purchase. Now let's move on to the next piece. It's a pair of shoes. They didn't have my size the day I went in, but I had to order them and they arrived pretty quickly. I think I picked them up about 3, maybe 4 days later. They come in the box, the ribbon, very pretty as always. I love Dior packaging. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I also noticed that they changed their dust bags for the shoes. They have this golden lettering right now. I like the quality of the dust bags, but this Dior over here in gold looks a little bit fake-ish. I'm not a huge fan. I prefer the older gray dust bags they used to make, but whatever. They're so pretty. So these are the shoes that I picked up. They are this slides. Do you call them slides or mules? Probably slides, but with a little block heel at the back. It is not too high, which is the perfect height for me. I hate wearing high heels. I never wear them. I love the way they look, but at the same time my feet hurt so bad if I wear high heels. But this to me looked pretty okay. I think it's a good height and I'll be able to walk in this. I mean, when I tried them on, they were honestly the most comfortable slides out of everything I've tried in the store. Also, for some reason, Dior slides as well as Hermes slides are very wide for my feet. My feet are pretty narrow and I could never find the perfect pair for me. But when I tried this on, probably because of the heel, they didn't feel wide. For some reason, I don't know. That's very strange. I don't have anything like this with a little block heel at the back. Nothing like this, and I'm just trying to be more feminine, trying to wear more dresses, skirts, blouses, you know, during summer at least. And I thought this was a perfect addition, especially since I have a book tote in the same blue oblique version. They can look pretty cool together for summer when it's hot outside, maybe going to the beach or something like that, just walking around, touristing around. I also have a lot of blue bags, as you know, and I think in general blue color is just very versatile. You can style it with so many different things, and since this is like blue and cream, they are perfect for summer and they will go with all of my outfits, my jeans, my skirts, everything. And I also ordered a couple of dresses and I'm gonna see how they will look together. And I think I'll be able to wear the shoes casually during the day, but also for the night outs. And I will now try to include some footage from the vlog trying the shoes on so you can see how they look on me. Anyway guys, this is it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about the new SLG and also the shoes? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!